All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I start a new journey. I've been reviewing a lot of earbuds lately, and I've been trying to review ones that are in a good price range for people, and that still give you some satisfaction as far as quality goes. And I think I might have hit a lick with these. These are the new Soundcore Spirit Dot 2s. Now, this is a in-ear mini bud, and these are supposed to be pretty decent. I haven't seen too many reviews on these, but I'm going to go ahead and get my review on because, yeah, I wanted to try these out. So, again, it's a mini bud. They're saying thumping bass, and I will be able to tell you if it does hit or not. You got the wing design, which is just basically that part around the tip right there. As you can see here, it's IPX7, so that's sweat and waterproof. Type-C charging, 5.5 hours of playback with 16 hours on the case. So the battery takes a hit because these are smaller, but that is still pretty decent battery if you're going to use these and depending on what you're using them for. And again, sweat and waterproof. Charge time in 10 minutes gets you an hour of listening. And you've got the touch sensitivity controls. Now, if anything, that's one of the things I don't like about earbuds like this. That's just a personal thing with me. I just don't care for earbuds that have that touch sensitivity thing. But nonetheless, the sound quality is what you are here for, and that is what I want to tell you about. All right, so this is the case that it comes in. I really want to see the feel and see the packaging, like that the buds are actually in, because I wanted to see how big it was. And this is a pretty decent size little packaging here. This is how you open. Oh, it's got the sliding mechanism again. Okay, sweet. Now, you know I like the sliding mechanism. Let me show you my other ones here. I mean, I've got a lot of Soundcores, but this case right here is like a traditional case. And then this case is another one of theirs where it flips open. Well, I thought this was going to be a sliding mechanism, but this is the sliding mechanism. So as you can see, these are a lot smaller because of the way it's built. These should be pretty nice. Now, I will say that these are a little bit bigger than I thought they were going to be. Let's peel this off, because that'll start the charging process. They're a little bit bigger than I thought they were going to be, but in fact, they're not too big. So these are really nice, man. They look good. So let's peel this off, because that's just instructions on how to get them out. But this is the case. Now here's the port on the back here. Type-C fast charging. Yeah, pretty nice. They want like a square design opposed to these round designs that they have. And this one, right, this Soundcore case is a complete opposite of any other Soundcores. But this case is like a flat case, and then at the same time it's kind of round. So I will definitely pair these up and get them going. Let me show you what else is in the box here. If there's got to be some stuff under here. Yep, here we go. And here you've got your manuals. And then that is what I was looking for. Stuff that everybody reads, right? And then in here, pretty simple, you got all the different tips and earbuds. I like how they give you this kind right here, where it's doesn't have the big loop on the back here. Like that. It's kind of just rounded off. Pretty sweet. So earbuds are always going to be subjective. They're going to be, if one person might like something, another person might not like them. But with these, I think that this is the design that most people know, and most people might love. So I think this might be a win based on how they look. But I'm going to go ahead and try these on, and will they fall out? Nice magnets. All right. So let's go ahead and try these on real quick, and we'll see how they feel. And there I am. So let's get these tried on real quick. I want to get this camera position right for you guys. There we go. All right. Oh, nice. They are in pairing mode. As soon as you put them on, and a lot of people were talking about the glasses thing. If you wear glasses, obviously I do, and they were concerned about this pair because those have the over the ear design. But these are obviously going to feel fantastic. So we're going to pair a new device, and they should pick up fairly fast. There they are, right there. Really quickly picks them up. They're talking about it's called MCSync, True Wireless Connectivity, and basically what that means is I should be able to switch between the two with no problems. So I should be able to just pair them up, take one out, use one, use another, and not have any issues with doing so. So let's just turn on something here. It's just a real brief to tell you how it actually sounds. Let's see here. Gonna listen to some Mali music. Fight for You. Yeah. They are, I gotta go ahead and tell you right now in this video, there is bass. there is bass for sure. Wow. Feeling it, folks. Reviewing earbuds is kind of difficult because you're just trusting what I'm saying. I say this all the time, but folks, these have killer bass. I don't know how they do it in these small earbuds, but let me pause this. These have some serious bass in these little earbuds, and these are $79. This is well within your reach of a good set of earbuds. I can tell that I'll be able to wear these for an extended period of time. So, whoa, these sound great, man. I got to give it up. The thumping bass thing that they're saying here delivers thumping bass. I got to give it to them. There's bass thumping big time. So these sound really good. They're compact. I like them, man. So far, first impressions are pretty good. However, my experience with these, after a period of time of using them for a week, behind the ear wasn't my thing. With those particular ones, they hurt me after a while. But these right here, I'm hoping the Soundcore delivers on comfort and feel, and it should be a lot easier just because these are just simple in-ears earbuds. But the only issue with in-ear earbuds, the right move can make them fall out of your ear. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Soundcore is delivering on their promise to bring us high quality earbuds at an affordable cost. And $79 for these. I think they probably should be on your list if you're an audiophile type guy or lady, or you just like a whole bunch of different earbuds and you like sampling and just testing out the difference in quality. I can tell you though, for those that might ask, these appear to have more bass than these. Ugh. I mean, these Liberties are great, man. So these appear to have more bass, but I'll do some more testing later on. And again, I'll see you in a week after using these for about 5 days straight, and I'll tell you exactly how I feel about them. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Whoa, Soundcore is bringing it. See you in the next one.